You doing? Ready for this trip?
Yeah, I'm kind of eager to get into it. You know, I done been around these new saws. We got these new Husqvarna saws, but I ain't never had a chance really to have my hands wet on it. So, what we gonna be doing then?
Going down in Natchez, Mississippi. The bridge that goes over the river from Natchez to Louisiana. We got 2 pins to cut. Got to make 2 cuts on both pins. One at the bottom, one at the top on both sides. Get that done and get out of here.
What about dialing this bad boy in and getting it all situated up?
You just have to play with it to get it where you want it. And once you get it where you want it, let her roll. She'll cut it. It's all on your box. You look at your box and tell you how fast your wire's turning and what your pressure is. And once you get your pressure up around, I think it's around between 30 and 50. You try to let it sit there and cut. If it don't want to cut, you just kind of manual do it with a knob until you get where you're going with it.
So you can dial it back like our normal pump seals?
It's just like you stroking your saw.
If you're only cutting a pin, metal pin, you about cut through it before you finish the stroke, shouldn't you?
Yeah, you'll stroke it up by halfway to the column and put it together there, and you won't, about 12 inches about all you're going to stroke.
How long do it usually take you to cut a pin?
Anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half.
Do it be cutting on the second pin while they're finishing up the first one?
If it does, it's just a little bit. It won't be much. This bridge is old. And the pins is put in it where the bridge are rock back and forth or whatever. And they got grooves wore in them. And they can't beat them out to replace them, so they can cut them out and replace them. Put new ones in. I think it was 24 of them all together at the start. And they could just replace the 2 at the time, because once they take them 2 out, can't nothing be on the opposite end of the bridge because of the weight that is up in there holding it up. But pins and stuff, they got new plates they put on the side to hold it up and everything. And they got this whole bridge closed out. Can't nobody get on it. But the people that's working.
So I'm eager to get here and get my feet wet with this new saw.
You'll like it.
Get y'all guys to teach me the proper way to do it.
We'll work on it.
Okay.
Can't make you no promise.
I heard that.